Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can watch reels on Messenger. It's super easy. By any chance you didn't have Facebook app and you are now want to watch some reels of Facebook, so let me show you how you can do it. Open up your Messenger app and log into your account and go to main menu, and there you will see bunch of options, and at the end you will see also from Meta you will see over here Facebook Reels. When you click on that, a profile or like another tab opens and you will see bunch of reels over here. You can see, you can swipe up and check it out, some of the famous reels, or like you want to watch over here, you can simply scroll up and watch it out. And that's it. That's how you can watch reels on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.